Hello friends. Welcome to today's English grammar lesson. We're going to practice absolute phrases, a fun way to make your sentences more detailed and interesting. An absolute phrase is a noun phrase which modifies a sentence. It adds more information to the sentence. An absolute phrase refers to the group of words that accompanies an independent phrase. This group of words consists of a participle and a noun. It is not necessary to the sentence, which stands on its own, but it adds more information. It can come at the beginning, or the middle, or the end of a sentence. Some easy examples are: the sun shining, we went outside. Here, the sun shining is an absolute phrase, which is adding extra meaning to the main sentence. Noun: the sun, modifier, shining. The work finished, they went home. The work finished is an absolute phrase and noun. The work, modifier, finished. She walked away, her head down. Here, absolute phrase comes at the end of the sentence, in which noun, her head, modifier, down. She stood at the door, her hands shaking. Noun, her hands, modifier, shaking. Common mistake 1. Using a finite verb. Wrong. The sun is shining, we went outside. Correct. The sun shining, we went outside. Absolute phrases do not use helping verbs, is, was, are. Common mistake 2. Missing the noun. Wrong. Shaking, he dropped the glass. Correct. His hands shaking, he dropped the glass. Absolute phrase must have its own noun. Common mistake 3. No comma separation. Wrong. She sat quietly, her eyes closed. Correct. She sat quietly, her eyes closed. Comma is necessary. Common mistake 4. Confusing with a clause. Wrong. Because the work was finished, they went home. Correct. The work finished, they went home. Absolute phrase does not equal dependent clause. Let's do a small exercise. Fill in the blanks. Use an absolute phrase. Blank. The class became silent. Blank. He refused to answer. Blank. The soldiers marched forward. Pause the video. Write your answers, and then I will tell you my answers. Answers key is: the teacher entering, the class became silent. Noun. The teacher, modifier, entering. His face angry, he refused to answer. Noun. His face, modifier, angry. Their heads held high, the soldiers marched forward. Noun. Their heads, modifier, held high. So, the conclusion is, an absolute phrase is a noun with a modifier, not a full verb. It adds extra meaning and can appear at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence. Remember the golden rule. Noun present, modifier present, no finite verb. If you follow this rule, you'll never confuse it with a clause. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.